Hey everyone, let's get into the nitty-gritty about home buying. This past year's been a roller coaster with those pesky high interest rates, and guess what? The chatter says this ride is going to continue all the way throughout 2023. With Mr. Jerome Powell in his tiny little crystal ball, he is predicting no more rate slashes throughout 2023. And our builder pals not showing much confidence either. With a score of 55 on the confidence meter, they are finally in positive territory for the first time in 18 months. Speaking of which, in my neck of the woods, we've seen inventory drop to even lower historical lows, shrinking by 9.4% month over month. But here's the silver lining. That means less competition for you. Fewer folks are making the moves with the current interest rates, which could give you the wiggle room to slide right into your dream home. A bit of inside information. We've seen CPI inflation readings come down month over month for the last 6 months, and historically correlates with interest rates cooling off as well. So homes are not just only a place to store your kids and store your things. The equity you gain might be your financial magical ticket.